Hello children, in this video I am going to explain you about the soaps and detergents, pesticides and fertilizers, paints and the medicines where the chemistry is involved. Okay. So children, here you all know about the soaps and the detergents. They are very common at your home. So basically soaps are the sodium salts of long chain fatty acid. Okay, whereas the detergents are the sodium and potassium salts of sulfonic acids of hydrocarbons. There is a difference between the soap and the detergent. So here first thing is that sodium salt is there, and here sodium and potassium salts are there. Okay, that is the main difference. And these soaps cannot be used in the hard water, whereas detergents are so strong that they can be used in both hard and soft water. Second thing, next thing is what? Soaps are fully biodegradable. That means it can be decomposed. Okay, but detergents, since they are very hard and made up of lots of chemicals in that, so they are non-biodegradable. And soaps take time to dissolve in water, whereas detergents get dissolved very faster in water. Next is the pesticides and the fertilizers. So pesticides, you can see here, pesticides are the chemical substances which are used to take an action against pests like rat, insects and the fungi. Okay, so basically these pesticides are there to kill the pest and to protect the crop. Okay, and another thing, that is the fertilizers. Fertilizers are used to make the soil more fertile so that more and more crops should grow. Okay, that means they will increase the essential nutrients present into the soil. Okay, there is difference. Understood the difference between the fertilizers and the pesticides? Pesticides are there to kill the pest and to protect the crops. Okay, but fertilizers increases the soil fertility. Okay, so just like urea. Now next is the paint. Okay, paint is also a kind of chemical. Okay, these are the mixtures of one or more colored powders and a liquid which are used to give the protective and decorative finish to the surfaces. So in the paint, what are used? The oil is used, then some pigments are there which do not react with others. Okay, only it will give the color. Okay, and then thinner will be there and the prime pigment will be there. Okay, so these are other combinations which you will study in detail in the higher classes. So paint is a chemical compound. Now dear children, next area is the medicine. Okay, where the chemistry is flourishing very nicely. Okay, the advancement of chemistry you will find in the medicines. Okay, how? Basically medicines are the substances which are used for the treatment or prevention of the disease. Okay, so in older days man were dependent on the medicinal plants. Okay, still Ayurveda is there for the medicinal plants, and they develop so many kinds of treatment or medicines from the plants for the common diseases. Okay, but here are the drugs which are prepared into the laboratories. Okay, so that is the analgesics, okay, and the antipyretics. Okay, what are analgesics? Analgesics are a class of drugs used to relieve pain by selectively inhibiting the perception of the pain. That means wherever you are feeling the pain, you will take this medicine, that is analgesics, okay, to relieve the pain of the body. Okay, whereas there is another one, that is the antipyretics. What are the antipyretics? An antipyretic is a type of medication that will reduce fever by lowering temperature from the raised state. You are having the temperature or you are having the fever. So while having fever, so this lowering of the temperature is what? That means if you are having 102 degrees temperature, body temperature, then by taking this kind of medicine, that is antipyretics, that they will lower down your body temperature, just like that paracetamol. Okay, paracetamol is the antipyretics one. So children, you understood this analgesics are there to relieve the pain. Okay, where you are feeling the pain. Ibuprofen is there, that helps in reducing the pain. And antibiotics, they are helpful for the reducing the fever by lowering the temperature. Okay, whatever the raised state is there, or whatever is increased, that will come down to its normal one. Antibiotics, that is a paracetamol also you can see, and the Panadol. So students, hope you all have understood the topics. If you have any doubt or question, you can ask in the comment section below. Please like, share it with your classmates, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get my latest updates. Thank you and take care.